Hey everyone, it's great to be here with you today. Today, I'm going to share with you how I turned my side hustle into a profitable business that generates $10,000 a month. If you've been thinking about starting a side hustle or turning your passion into a business, this video is for you. A few years ago, I was working a full-time job and looking for ways to make extra money. I had a passion for photography and decided to start a side hustle offering photography services. I started by taking photos for friends and family and building a portfolio. Then, I began promoting my services on social media and local classifieds. Before I knew it, I was getting booked for photo shoots left and right. I realized that I had a viable business on my hands and started to invest more time and energy into my side hustle. One of the key things that helped me turn my side hustle into a profitable business was focusing on my branding and marketing. I created a website and social media accounts that showcased my work and made it easy for potential clients to find and book me. I also attended networking events and joined photography groups to meet other professionals in the industry and gain exposure. Another important aspect of turning my side hustle into a profitable business was managing my finances. I kept track of my income and expenses, set financial goals, and made sure to save a portion of my earnings for taxes. If you're thinking about starting a side hustle or turning your passion into a business, my advice is to just start. Don't be afraid to take that first step and put yourself out there. It may be a bit scary at first, but the rewards are well worth it. I hope this video has inspired you to take action and turn your side hustle into a profitable business. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.